Caitlin, lay down, please. I love you, but it's night-night time. No, lay down. Caitlin, on your bed. Go on your bed. Lay on your pillow. No. I said no. You listened so well. You better lay down. Lay down. Lay down. I'm going to show your dad how well you listen.
No.
Yes, I am. Nights. Okay.